Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Before I start the video, I'd like to thank Auxito for sponsoring this video and sending me out these bulbs. So these are Auxito H7 LED lights. Not entirely sure which ones they sent, so we'll find out once we open it. Because there's two versions they do. There's the version where it looks like a fog light, and then there's the version where it's a bit longer. They're more for like driving bulbs, I'd say. Whereas the one that looks like a fog light, the beam pattern's a bit scattered. That's the thing. So yeah, let's have a look. H7. Hopefully they sent the driving bulbs, not the fog light style one. We'll have to see. But again, either way I'm happy. Thank you Auxito for sending these out. So we've got a nice packaging, black and yellow packaging, very beautiful. So we got high brightness, easy to install, quick start, fast heat dissipation, LED daylight. So that's the model number DD-Y13. So it operates at 12 to 24 volts, IP67, LMP 6500K. So it's not going to be pure white, it's going to have a slight tint of blue to it. So if you want pure white, it is 6000K you need. 6500K is a slight tint of blue to it, which is still very white. It looks beautiful, you know, it's good. So there's your operating temperatures. You got 50,000 hours operating time as well. So yeah, and yeah, so this was sent through Every is the worst parcel service ever in this country, guys. It used to be known as Hermes, but then they rebranded because they got lawsuits and stuff. So basically this was out for delivery on Saturday. No, it was out for delivery on Friday. And then on Friday came and went, he was still out for delivery. Saturday came and went, he was still out for delivery, it said. What the hell happened to the driver? Was he just sleeping on the road or something? Sunday came, still same thing. And then I contacted the bulb Auxito, told them to find out what's going on, because I'm the buyer, or in this case you call it a buyer, I can't access any customer service at all. All I get is bots. So when I go on the chat, all it says is the order's on the way. I know it's not on the way. It's been out for delivery for the past 4 days. What's happened to the driver? What's happened to the parcel? What the hell's going on? Do you know what I mean? So yeah. 2000, what was I going to say now? What am I saying? 2000. Right, so then I rang them as well. They have a number for customer service. That was stuck by bots as well. You literally stuck by a bot. It says out for delivery. There's no way to speak to a human being on the chat or on the phone. So then I just gave up because there's no way to do it. Then I told the company themselves to contact them, because they're the ones that sent out the parcel with them. So they'll have the contract with them, whatever. So yeah, so they got after that I got an email the next day, your parcel's been delayed. That wouldn't have come unless without the company messaging them. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, and now it's eventually here. Over 2 weeks late. So yeah, let's have a look, guys. So these bulbs will be both the same, let's hope. Okay, so they give you some free gloves. That's nice of them. That's so you don't get any stuff on your... Yes, they send the good ones, guys. So these are what I call driving bulbs. So these ones will give you a nice cut line, so it will be as good as a bloody xenons. It won't blind anybody, it won't do anything, you won't have any bad lines. It's going to be really good. So yeah, they give some O-rings here and some zip ties. And then these are the adapters you might need. So H7 BMW adapter, if you need to find one, go find one. So the way you know which one you need is you look at the bulb itself. So as you can see on the base of the bulb, it's round, so you need a round one. Whereas if you have a different style bulb, it's like a square style, you need a square style H7 adapter. Ring thing like that, can you see? So that's a round one, that's a squarish one. Can you see the difference? That's what you need. So I don't think I will need them on this one, but I will have to check. If it doesn't sit properly, we'll have to order some in. It'll only cost about £2 anyway. 2-3 pounds for the set, so I'll need 4 pounds worth. Nothing is in it. But my luck with that has not been very good. But yeah, these bulbs are amazing, guys. That's all I can say. I've had these on my last car, the 3 Series, if you remember them. They were beautiful. Look at that. High ass quality. Very high quality, guys. So you got the H7. Oh, they've got numbers on it this time. That's incredible. The last model didn't have this, so they have revised this model a bit. And there you go, you have cooling fan there. If the bulb doesn't have a cooling fan, I wouldn't buy it myself. That's me being honest, because it would burn out very quick. I've had that experience in the past. It's not been a good experience, not with this company but other companies. You need a cooling fan for LEDs, guys. They get very hot, especially if you're driving with them, because it's enclosed and stuff. It just heats up. Alright, so there's your H7 bit. Alright, we got the LED on this side, LED on that side. So the way the bulb would sit is straight up like that usually. But yeah, we'll have to see, guys. And usually how you put them in is you put them at an angle like this. Can you see here? And then you twist it in to lock in place like that. And yeah, you can see it's got the coordinates on there. 0 degrees, this, that. Alright. And then on this end, that's your CAN bus adapter, guys. That will get rid of any error codes. That's all inside of this small box here. That's a really good thing to have. The other bulbs didn't have that. You know, the ones I was just talking about before, the ones that look like fog lights, they don't have that. That's one of the reasons I didn't want them. So that's this is very good. Won't have any issues with it. You might still get a bit of a flicker when you start the car. That's nothing. As long as you don't get an error, that's minor. I don't mind that. And then you got your H7 end here. Your plus and minus. If it doesn't work one way, all you do is twist it around, put it in the other way, because that's how LEDs work, one side or the other side. That's it. Okay. And this is the second bulb, same thing. Come on, your bastard. There you go. Very nice, guys, isn't it? Very high quality bulbs, guys. I can vouch for these myself, because I've had these on the other car for 3 years. We had one bulb burn out, but the thing is with me, I ran the bulbs day and night, guys, and I was driving a lot. So on the other car, I used to leave the lights on, because I like the backlights. You know, the what are they called now? M4 GTS lights I had. So because I couldn't code in the, well, I could, but yeah, so kind of basically. So the coding wise for the back tail lights on that car, it was a bit more difficult to do, and they would have reset some stuff which I don't want to reset, so I just left it. So instead, to have the backlights running, looking nice in the daytime, I just run my lights fully. So these lights were always running day and night. So eventually after 3 years, one of them did give out, which is alright. 3 years, that's crazy amount of lifetime on one bulb. And that was just one bulb that went out. All the other 3 were remaining, still running. And then what happened is, if you watch one of my other videos where I've made a video about the good point that it's interoperable 3 Series. So all I did was switch the high beam out for the low beam, and then it started operating again in high beam full brightness again. So I don't know, maybe it was just a bit of a connection issue, but yeah, that was really good. I was happy with that. We had fully working bulbs again. So yeah, same again on this bulb, everything's the exact same. Very beautiful. There's your CAN bus adapter built in, so you don't need to buy one separate, the CAN bus resistor, I think. Okay, and now we're gonna check this one as well. It should be exactly the same again. So yeah, so my BMW 5 Series, you got a high beam and low beam is both H7. That's why I bought both sets of these bulbs. Well, I didn't buy them, but Auxito sent them out to me. Thank you very much for that. So it's like the 3 Series. They both have the same bulbs, which is really good actually. Like I said, if you're in a pickle, you're driving far away, one of your bulbs go out, all you have to do is change your high beam out for your low beam, and yeah, you're back on the road again straight away. You don't need to hustle about or drive about with one headlight missing. You know what I mean? It's a quick job to change them out quickly. Do on the roadside if you got big enough hands. Okay, I mean small enough hands, not big enough. Big hands are bad. I've got big hands, so sometimes hard to put, like, go through heavy stuff, you know. Alright, got some more gloves again, got some cable ties and some O-rings. Now I don't know where these O-rings actually go. I think they go at the top here. I will double check though before I put anything on. So yeah, that's where your retainer clip goes in if you want to put one in. I'm gonna see, I think I have some at home anyway, and hopefully we don't need them. We'll see if we do. You got your manual here, and yeah, there's your H7 adapters again. So this one I'm just gonna leave in here. Everything's exactly the same. So thank you Auxito, really appreciate it. And yeah, these bulbs are definitely worth the money. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll get a discount as well to buy from my affiliate link. So yeah, I've set one up finally after years. So yeah, I'm highly impressed with these bulbs, and you will be too. If you want to see the performance of them, watch my video when I do the actual video. You'll enjoy it. But yeah, you'll enjoy it, guys. All I can do is I can vouch for them really well, because they have the straightest beam ever. You wouldn't be able to tell. Like, that's how good they are. And when I had it on my last car, never did anyone flash me ever. It was never blinding anybody, because like I showed you on the video, the beam is like this, pure cut. When you have bad LED bulbs, the beam will be all over the place, scattered like that. Whereas on this is flatter than a bloody halogen. On the halogen, it's a bit more scattered. It's still straight, but it's a bit more scattered. But when I got the LED, it was like a straight line, guys. Crazy. So yeah, these are really good bulbs. Highly recommend them. Leave a link in the description, guys. Go get some if you want. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you Auxito again for sending these out. Highly appreciate it. See you guys next time. Goodbye.